Hello everyone. Today we will learn about microsporogenesis as well as microgametogenesis. So both of these processes, that is microsporogenesis as well as macrogametogenesis, are associated with formation of male gamete in sexual reproduction in plants. So as you all know, this is the stamen, this is the structure of the stamen, or you can say the upper part of the stamen. On the topmost part there are anthers, and this is the filament. So when we cut the anther from the transverse section, we get to see a structure like this, in which we have 4 sections. Each section contains several pollen mother cells. These pollen mother cells, for each of the pollen mother cells, which is diploid in nature, diploid in chromosome number, first divides meiotically and give rise to 4 haploid daughter cells. And after each of these haploid daughter cells that converts into, after maturation, into pollen grain, or we can say the microspore. Till this is the microsporogenesis, and after this the microspore undergoes mitosis, in which the nuclei divide mitotically into two daughter nuclei, in which one is the generative nuclei and other is the vegetative nuclei. At this stage, this pollen is known as binucleate pollen, and after mitosis it again germinates and matures, and so this generative nuclei is directly involved in fertilization with egg or the ovule, that is the female gamete in plants, and the vegetative nuclei goes and fertilizes the polar nuclei and forms the endosperm. As you know, polar nuclei is diploid in nature. There are 2 polar nuclei, and endosperm is triploid in nature, because 2 polar nuclei are fused by a vegetative nucleus. So this process of forming the generative nucleus and vegetative nucleus containing binucleate pollen is known as microgametogenesis. Thank you.